Hi there, I'm İlkay and welcome to my tutorial series Lightning Sibelius. Today I will introduce you a fantastic time-saving hardware gadget known as the Stream Deck. Following that, we will delve into the remarkable Notation Express provided by NYC Music Services, also recognized as the owner of our beloved informational blog scoringnotes.com. We will then explore how you can integrate it with Sibelius and combine it with your custom profile. But first, let me explain what a Stream Deck is. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the thumbs up button below. If you like my tutorials and if you want to support my channel, you can also donate it via the PayPal link in the description. What is a Stream Deck? Stream Deck is a hardware device equipped with a series of customizable physical keys designed to carry out diverse functions. Typically connected to your computer via USB, this device, when paired with dedicated software, enables you to program the buttons to execute specific commands. All models feature LCD keys, simplifying the process by eliminating the necessity to remember all the shortcuts assigned to each key. Among the various Stream Deck models available, such as the Mini with 6 buttons, MK with 15 buttons and X-Large with 32 buttons, users have the flexibility to choose the model that best suits their needs. The standout feature of these devices is their fully customizable nature. This includes customizable profiles or folders which expand functionality beyond the standard options. Users can also create multi-action workflows, enabling a single button to execute a series of commands simultaneously. For instance, assigning a macro to a button can trigger a sequence like Ctrl-E, typing P, and hitting Escape for entering a dynamic in Sibelius, effortlessly enhancing workflow efficiency. Let's delve into an even more exciting aspect before discussing the remarkable Notation Express. I must admit, its aesthetic appeal on my workspace is truly captivating. For iPhone and iPad users, there is no need to purchase a physical device. The lifetime licensed software is available for purchase on the App Store, offering the same functionality. And now, let me introduce you Notation Express. What is it exactly and why you should have it on your desk? Notation Express offers specialized profiles designed for major notation softwares such as Sibelius and Dorico. Whether you opt for a physical Stream Deck or its mobile counterpart, customization becomes effortless, no manual configurations required. For just $29.99 accessible on their website, a straightforward installation procedure seamlessly sets up the profile, elevating your workflow with ease. To fully utilize Notation Express, you will require Sibelius version 2024.3 or later and either a hardware Stream Deck or its mobile counterpart. The straightforward installation and usage of this tool make it highly appealing. To install Notation Express after purchasing it, please visit the link provided in the description. The video installation guide is presented by NYC Music Services. Alright, now I understand your question, but what if I want to use my own custom commands alongside Notation Express? Is it possible? My answer is of course yes, and that's precisely what I do. For example, as you can see, I have my most frequently used Stream Deck's commands here. I have rearranged and customized all my Notation Express buttons to suit my needs. For instance, instead of turning off magnetic layout, I often use freeze magnetic layout. Therefore, I have designed a specific icon and assigned a custom shortcut for it. Additionally, since I'm doing YouTube tutorials, I have grouped all my most needed commands inside a folder, so I won't need to change my profile while using Stream Deck, and I can use it with Notation Express all together in one profile. Meanwhile, I have created an Excel file containing all the free shortcut combinations available within Sibelius. With this, you won't need to change any default shortcuts of Sibelius when assigning a custom shortcut to a function. If you want to receive it, you can reach me via my email address, which you can find it in the description below. One more advantage is that since the Stream Deck has illuminated buttons, you can easily work in low light conditions. And with that, we conclude this chapter. Thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the thumbs up button below. Your support means a lot. If you want to support my channel, you can donate it via the PayPal link provided in the description. Stay tuned for more exciting Lightning Sibelius tutorials.